guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you guys 5 lip shades which are perfect for winter. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. First is from Color Sense in the shade number 34. This one here is of course from the nude family. It is super smooth on lips, feels like nothing and has a great texture. It's more onto a dark nude and not one of those pink nudes which makes it go well in winters. We all girls should have one go-to lip shade which can literally go with any outfit, and this is the one. I've added this in the list because despite being nude, it is an essential for every woman who goes to work or college. So the next lip shade is from L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Matte in the shade number 430. It's a lovely dark berry tone. I feel something like this is perfect to have for winters. If you're someone who loves color on their face, it really lifts up the whole look. It's matte and it's waterproof, doesn't come off very easily, long lasting. This also is a great evening shade to have on. What do you think? Next one on the list is from Nykaa Top Thrill in the shade number 12M. This is one of the best sellers from Nykaa. It's one of the top listed from Nykaa's range. The reason why is because it's suitable to all Indian skin tones and is the perfect formula of brown, not too dark and not too light. Another one is from Color Bar and is very similar to the earlier one, which is why I'm not counting it as another shade. Color Bar one is in the shade number 98 Wannabe, and this is how it looks like on the lips, and the only difference is that it is a little darker and in a matte finish. Both are my favorites. Next on the list is from Color Bar again, which is in the shade Craving Pink number 41C. I think one bright pink color is what every girl should own, and this one in particular I'm using since quite a lot of time and I crush on it every time I use it. Next one on the list is a classic red from Oriflame Lipstick Sensation in Matte Mousse. I'm highly impressed with the formulation of this liquid lipstick. It has an amazing pigment and stays like forever. It's nice and bright. Something like this is great to wear during the day. I feel red is a shade which you can wear everywhere, from work to college to festivities. So with this we are done with our lip shades. Now lastly, this is for those girls who prefer using lip balms over lipsticks. This is a great one from Maybelline, Baby Lips in the shade Candy Cow. It has all the goodness of a balm and also a tint of the color, which you girls can totally go for. Now it's time to remove all the color from your lips. Now I have nothing on my lips, all clear. So let's quickly start with the lip care routine, which is primarily a lip scrub, for which you need 1 tablespoon of sugar and you need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a container like this. You need to mix it well. Mix it until it becomes into a thick paste, and this is how it is going to look like. Now what you need to do is apply it like the way I'm doing, massage it for 2 to 5 minutes and then leave it like that. After you are done with the application, you can remove it. I'm using a cotton pad and I'm just dabbing it with very soft hands, not too harsh, on the lips, and you are done. So this is only what you need to do, and after that you can apply a balm for moisturization and your lips will become pinker, smoother and plumpier. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will see you next time. Bye.